What are you gonna do?
Misfit Actual, we advised you are crossing the LOD and 2 mics, over.
Copy that.
Yo, does anyone else really not get what the fuck we're doing here?
Quit being a fucking hippie, Montez.
I'm just saying, bro, if this is about the PLR, we should be in Iran, not Iraq.
They're crossing borders, dog. PLR's the right people, all right? They don't make them any righter.
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. We have a situation developing here. Get your team dismounted and into the staging area ASAP.
This is 1-3. Copy out.
What the fuck are we stopping here for? Our objective's 20 clicks north of here.
I don't know, Montez. Yeah, let's get out on the road. Okay, let's go. Move.
I guess we're late to the party. Where's the LT? Hanging right up here. Hey!
Hey, you ever ask yourself how this part of the world gets so fucked up all the time?
Serious? I just worked here, Dave.
Gentlemen, welcome. As you know, we're dealing with the PLR insurgents crossing over from Iran. A lot of sectarian tension. I counsel you to remember, gentlemen, the people of this country are not your enemy. The PLR is. At 0930, we lost contact with Viper Squad. They're investigating a possible IED near Spins and Meat Market. That's a pretty fucking bad part of town. We believe the PLR involved. Sending you in to find our Marines, provide support, call in Casevac if necessary. You're the quick reaction force, gentlemen. I'm trusting you to handle this. Let's go find our Marines.
We're on it. Let's go. We're way behind, gentlemen. Let's go find this patrol.
We have a sit rep on enemy inside this district.
Assume the worst. Go.
Bad creep on pipes.
ID your targets.
What is this? School?
All right, keep forgetting. They don't have schools where you come from.
Stick together. Check your corners.
What was that?
Someone needs to tell the OD to blow those ammo dumps further away.
Wait, Tremor. We're like 90 clicks from a major fault line.
Big cross street here. Hella exposed.
Wait, one. Something coming. Back. Wait for him to pass. Let's move. Okay. Crossing twos. Black. You and Makovich take the door on the right.
Okay, moving!
Get the lead out, Black. Now!
Not a single civvy. I don't like this shit.
Gun! Sniper! Up and smoke! Fire! Fuck easy! Sam, get him inside! Come on! Come on! Cover! Let's go! The sniper's still up! Hang low! Let's knock! Stay low! Where the fuck Engaging!
They're moving! They're moving! Let's go! Let's go! Behind me!
Give me a sit rep.
I'm up!
I'm up. I'm fucked up, but I'm up.
RPG! Mike 12! Second floor! Stay away from the fucking car! RPG! Mike 12! Second floor! Stay away from the fucking cars!
Friendly's coming in! Friendly's coming in! Everybody like that building the fuck up!
Black! On me!
Tango's by the building, far in parking lot!
They're flanking!
Moving!
Right there! Right there!
Coming over the wall, right side!
Contact left! He's down!
Engage!
RPG! Mike 12! Second floor! Stay away from the fucking car! He's down!
Friendly's coming in! Friendly's coming in! Everybody like that building the fuck up!
Black! Got him! On me!
Tango's by the building, far in parking lot!
They're flanking!
Moving!
Right there! Right there!
Coming over the wall, right side!
Contact left!
Hold it just a little longer! Sniper's still up! Cease fire! Ceasing fire! Get the hell inside now!
We got him. Hey, buddy. Can you feel this? All right, up we go. Check your corners.
I hope Chapman's gonna be okay.
You'll be fine. He's a tough son of a...
Eyes open. It's all you. Shit! Too exposed. You gotta go cover to cover. Don't stay visible in the window.
These guys weren't local. They weren't speaking Arabic. Al-Bashir's exporting all-star insurgent talent out of Iran to here now?
I don't know. Let's just get up on that roof.
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. That sniper's still up. Be careful out there.
Clear. Clear. Shit! Contact! Anyone got eyes on? I can't see him. Dude, that's a fucking 50. Stay low. Stay low. Hotel, I think. Let's go. Cover to cover. We'll draw him out. Ready. Moving. Okay, moving. Going.
Okay, moving.
Okay. Get on the fucking deck. We get down to the edge, stick his head out, and then we fucking shoot it.
Roger.
Hug the wall. Black. Wait for us to get into position. Don't bunch up. Keep moving. Talk to me. You got eyes on? I got it. Black, now! There's the sniper! Okay. Okay, across the street. 50 meters midway up. He's dug into a spider hole. Clear. Clear. Here we go. Shit! Contact! Anyone got eyes on? I can't see him. Dude, that's a fucking 50. Stay low. Stay low. It's hotel, I think. Let's go. Cover to cover. We'll draw him out. Ready. Moving.
Okay, moving.
Going.
Okay, moving.
Going. Okay. Get on the fucking deck. We get down to the edge, stick his head out, and then we fucking shoot it.
Roger.
Hug the wall. Black. Wait for us to get into position. Don't bunch up. Keep moving. Talk to me. You got eyes on? I got it. Black, now! There's the sniper! Okay. Okay. Across the street. 50 meters midway up. He's dug into a spider hole.
I got AT. Give it to Black. Shit, cover's getting ropey. You're the best shot!
You see that weapon glint? You waste him.
Make it count, brother!
I'll cover you. And you hit him. Clear your back blast. Stand by! 3, 2, 1! Suppress it! Good effect on target!
We good?
We're good. Let's go find this patrol.
Misfit 1-3, this is Doc Holliday. We got your man patched up down here. We're ready to move him back to the staging area for evac. Can you provide cover from up there?
Sure thing, Doc Holliday. Which direction, over?
North side.
Misfit 1-3, in position. Looks pretty clear.
Roger that. We are moving. Over.
Keep your eyes peeled for hostiles. Our guys are pretty exposed down there. Watch your sectors.
I see enemy movement, street level.
In cover. Take them out, 1-3.
Tango's on the roof, straight ahead!
Okay, moving.
More guys coming in.
Check the street level and rooftops.
I think we're clear, Misfit 1-3. We are moving. Over.
We got your 6. You're clear.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Misfit 1-3, this is Doc Holliday. Many thanks. We're through. We'll take care of your buddy. Out.
They're moving in on us now. I think they're in the building.
Can we get the fuck off this rooftop now, please? Roger. Can't go back down. Too messy. Need to find another way down. We'll never make it over.
We can use this as a bridge.
Do it. Fuck it, Boy Scout. Go, go!
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. You want to get moving to the site ASAP. Over.
Temporary setback. Break. We're Oscar Mike to target location. Over. We're pushing through. Let's hope they're okay.
So what happens if the PLR take over? A country run by terrorists ain't good.
Bro, America was founded by terrorists for terrorists. What do you think the fucking Revolutionary War was? History is determined by the motherfucking victor.
How did you even get into the Marines?
You know what, Campo? I often ask myself the same goddamn question.
Contact!
Shit! Contact!
Is that the patrol?
It's 2 of them.
Just stay focused.
Shit, we got wounded NKIA in here. I got it. Misfit Actual, this is 1-3. I need Castafac ASAP. How copy?
1-3, I can finally oblige. Hang tight. Misfit, out.
Man, this layout doesn't look right at all. Yeah, I found something. This is totally not good. Secondary's under here!
Secondary, copy that! Oh, fuck, boys, we are attracting a lot of fucking attention! What's the problem? Can't you cut the wire?
I can't cut anything till this wire's traced.
Blackburn, you're nominated. Follow the wire!
Blackbird, did you get that? Follow the goddamn wire. You okay in there? Just another goddamn tremor. Nothing to worry about. 1-4 is here to reinforce. Just get that wire cut. Misfit 1-3, this is Hornet 5-0. I got your position, I got your target. We're inbound
Waste
hot.
those guys! Oh, shit! Grenade!
Black! Get up on the wall and man the LMG! Misfit 1-3, this is Hornet 5-0. I got your position, I got your targets. We're inbound hot. Get up on the wall and man the LMG! Misfit 1-3, this is Hornet 5-0. I got your position, I got your targets. We're inbound hot.
Fuck! Grenade!
Black! Get up on the wall and man the LMG! Misfit 1-3, this is Hornet 5-0. I got your position, I got your target. We're inbound hot.
Oh, fuck! Grenade!
Black! Get up on the wall and man the LMG! converging on your position from the east.
Fuck, they're trying to flank us!
Come on! They're gonna overrun us! Let's move! There! That enemy vehicle wrecked! Blackburn! Up on that weapon! Fire that thing now! Oh, fuck! Earthquake!
Come on, let's fucking go!
All right, you claim you were knocked out after the earthquake.
Yes, sir.
Don't bother calling me sir, it's not gonna matter.
Because you're going to torture me anyway?
You don't work that way anymore. Now you just go to the darkest corner of the room.
Great.
How long were you unconscious?
Sun had set when I came to. There was a broadcast.
Were you out for 6 hours? 8? It's important.
Is that a train?
Try to focus on the question, please.
I was still shaky as hell when I pulled myself out, so I don't know. It was dark.
Pulled yourself out. You were buried?
I did see something.
You just said it was dark and you were groggy.
Are you trying to get a rise out of me?
We're just along for the ride, Sergeant Blackburn. You're driving, for now.
If you say so.
So it was dark and you were groggy. You saw something after the quake. What was it?